Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find token contract address on Solscan. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type solscan.io. This will land you on the official website of Solscan where you are going to see a bunch of different coins and tokens, the contract address of which you can get. So in order to do this, you can use the search bar, and in the search bar you will have to search for that particular coin, the contract address of which you want to get. So let's say I want to find the contract address of Myro coin, so I will type Myro in the search bar, and once I find Myro, I'll simply click on it. You can do the same with any other coin. So after selecting it, you will be landed on this page where it will show you that it is the token and the name of the token. Then it will give you the market overview, but you need to look out for this profile summary page. Now over here you are going to see the token name as well as owner authority, but here you are going to see the token address in the MISC section, and right next to it you are going to see this copy to clipboard button. So you just have to click on this copy button and you just have to copy this address. This is basically the contract address. Now you will have to open a new tab, and then in the search bar you will have to search for dexscreener.com. Now once you are on dex screener, you can use the search bar and you just have to paste the address that you have just copied from there, and then after waiting for some time it will show you the Myro coin. Now if you click on it, then it will show you the chart of Myro coin, as well as you can see its current price and buying and selling orders. So this is how you can easily find contract address on Solscan. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.